My name is Anthony Colon with ATI Restoration. I've been in that business for about 26 years. I've been with ATI for 19 years. Just want to talk a little bit about the RIA designations that they offer. About 10 years ago, I was able to take my WLS and achieve that designation. Highly recommend it. There's some good trainers out there. If you're in the industry for a while and you haven't taken a course, I highly encourage you to do a little bit more studying. Things changed over the years. Last year, I took the building science course, the 2-day course, which they offered through the IRA convention. It was a great course. Instructors were really well trained and experienced and provided a lot of useful information for me. This year, I was able to take the project manager course, which is another great course. I highly recommend it. I just went over some, large law stuff, what to do in different scenarios, how to track paperwork, how to start a job and close a job and everything in between. So great courses. I highly recommend it. If you're coming to the RA, whether you're bringing a technician on the field, a supervisor, I highly encourage it.